Hello guys, today on the show we have to import music to your Spotify account. So here we have two options. Either you are an artist and you want to upload music to Spotify, head over to Google and type in Spotify for artists and just click on the first link and you should be able to add your music by following these steps here. So let's click on Get Started. So here you have to follow these steps. Choose a distributor, upload your music, access your dashboard and prepare for release. So the second option is to add music from your desktop or other apps like YouTube to your Spotify account. So click on your name here, top right bar on Spotify, click on Settings, and head over to your library. Just toggle this on. And import music from other apps. Click on Import Library. Here you should be able to start importing your music. Click on Start. And here shows your music app that you want to import from, for example, YouTube and Home YouTube Music. You can upload the file from your desktop also, add it to Spotify, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and just leave a comment.